Ayan, makikita. Hilo.
Thomas.
Boop.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
Really? Do you know what's in here? Let it out. Come on.
That triggers your dog.
No, I don't drink
Mana.
I know he's a puppy.
What is it?
Say hello. Wow, that was a good hello.
Who needs heating when you have a Rottweiler?
Go.
I don't want you to hurt me. Please do not.
Something is wrong with this dog. Honey, no. No. No.
Winston. She's chewing on your tail, man. He's
said, what?
Oh my god. You're so close. Watch out.
Shit.
Oh god. You okay?
Park.
What's up, twin? Tell the people hello.
Mom, save me.
Percy, don't you like being brushed?
Hello, baby. Ah! Stay. Stay.
Put your finger in front of you dog's face and see what they do.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile.
Oh yeah, by the lip.
Happy birthday!
Motherfucker, where the fuck did you get that shit? It looks like a fucking sword. I'm afraid of you right now. I'm so scared of you. Get in the house, you weirdo. I filled the pool up. I think it's full.
Hey, you!
Добрий вечір. Вилазим звідти, сказала.
Wow. Where's that cheesy smile at? Hi, baby.
Baptized brother, and be gone from here, Satan!
Why she's so scared?
Sean!
Oh, she found the snowman and now she's murdering it. Ellie, get him!
The Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Here he comes, yay!
Oh!
What are you mad about? What are you mad? No, stop whining, Blue. Please stop. Blue, please stop. Stop.
Oh, ouchie. Oh.
Can you take this? Can you take this?
Hang on.
Stop. Yeah, I see it. And leave it alone. Come on, no.
This was a kiss.
It's weird.
Okay, the blood of Jesus. Just leave him alone. Let him have it for a second. That's right. The blood of Jesus. The blood of Jesus.
Waylon just found the stick on Mike's hikes. He's bringing it home.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Hi. Oh. Very nice. Yes, really nice.
Good job. Cole, wait. Wait. Now it's hard to hear me over that jingle, huh? Cole, come.
Dad? Yeah, I'm here, Dad.
What's happening? Oh, you're scared. Here, dog. Here. Take your head out of the chip packet.
Можешь брать игрушку. А теперь беги, он проснулся, Дэнни.
Oh well, too bad. He's gonna miss out on some popcorn. All right, let's go. You're taking this one off the bed, but...
What do you guys got going on over here? What? I feel like I just walked in on something I shouldn't have seen.
Oh my gosh, guys, look. Duke fell asleep while looking out the window, waiting for his dad to come home.
Para tenerlo en una azotea.
¿Qué has dirigido si es un mensaje en un momento dado de no darse por vencido, de no tirar la toalla de carácter? ¿Cómo lo entiendes?
You do your best. All right. Get it. Yeah.
Gasp at your dog and see their reaction.
I lost volume really quickly. So the workout was 20.
Look. Bill.
And like, whoa, 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 whoa. Josie.
Mama's poor puppy. She got your tail on me. Isn't that funny?
What are you doing? I haven't even made the bed yet, and you're on some...
You gonna go play?
What's wrong with you people?
I am a dog.
Súbete, súbete. Siéntate. Siéntate. Dame tu mano. ¿Cómo te va? La otra mano.
Yeah!
The Pied Piper.
No, they're not doing it.
They will. They will.
No, 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 no. Oui. Oui.
Cabo.
There we go. Oh, take it.
Hi. Can you shake? I didn't ask for all that.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Are you mad at me? Jack!
No.
Get one, Queena.
Kayla ignored me. Pretending like I wasn't even there.
Oh.
Time.
Alright, ready? High five, round. High five. High five.
Low five.
Other paw. High five.
Low paw. Low five.
Paw. Low paw. Low paw. Low paw. Too slow. High five, round. Another one. High five. Ha. Ha.
Check. Off it. Hey, check. Off it.
Go for a walk.
Oh, Bonnie, come here! Bonnie, come here! Oh my God!
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face. Look at me. I get away with everything. I get whatever I want.
Let me in, please.
Mabel. Mabel.
I use my peekaboo on for a second.
Knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
60% off other retailers' prices.
What are you doing? Oh my God, Lewis!
Oh.
Come on, honey. How are you gonna get up, huh? Oh, isn't she funny?
มันใช้ไม่ได้ส่งไปให้บริษัทเขาดูกูก็ลืมไปว่ากูแก้ผ้าอยู่ชิบหายพอถ่ายปุ๊บกูส่งไปเขากูค่อยมาดูคลิปชิบหาย
Come on, Willow, up you get, time to wait. She broke. Come on. We gotta go outside. Don't you want to go in the cold? Up we get. Broken dog.